Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Toyota Mirai family bus is revolutionizing the concept of sustainable group travel. Built on Toyota's advanced hydrogen fuel cell technology, the Mirai family bus offers an eco-friendly alternative to traditional gas-powered vehicles, ensuring zero emissions while delivering a smooth and efficient ride. Its innovative design caters specifically to families and small groups, combining spacious interiors with cutting-edge technology. Inside, the bus is a haven of comfort and convenience. With seating for up to 10 passengers, the layout emphasizes flexibility and adaptability, featuring reclining seats, ample legroom, and smart storage solutions. High-quality materials and soft-touch finishes create a luxurious yet practical atmosphere. The panoramic sunroof and large windows ensure a bright, open feel, perfect for long journeys or short city drives. Advanced climate control and an intuitive infotainment system enhance the overall travel experience. Under the hood, the Mirai family bus is powered by Toyota's latest hydrogen fuel cell system, which converts hydrogen into electricity to power the vehicle. This results in an impressive range of over 400 miles on a single fill-up, making it ideal for extended road trips. Refueling takes only a few minutes, offering a significant advantage over traditional electric vehicles. The bus also features an advanced regenerative braking system, further optimizing energy efficiency. Safety is at the forefront of the Mirai family bus, equipped with Toyota's comprehensive safety sense suite. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Enhanced driver assist technologies ensure peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. The 2025 Toyota Mirai family bus represents the future of sustainable mobility, blending environmental responsibility with practicality and style. It's a testament to Toyota's commitment to innovation, making clean energy accessible without compromising on performance or comfort.